Beautiful, aren't they? Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 27th of May and I fancy some spinach. So I've grown these spinach in this jumbo builder's bag and mashallah they did really well. Akib is in school today, so I thought I'll harvest all this spinach and give it to my wife so she can prepare the spinach sag before Akib comes home. Once I've harvested all this spinach, I'm thinking of planting some cabbage. So first let's harvest all the beautiful looking spinach and then we can think of what to plant in here. Perhaps we can plant some radish, cabbage, or maybe more spinach. We'll see. Beautiful, aren't they? I'm going to dig all the roots out and then I decided to plant cabbage in here. Growing cabbage is very simple. You can start your seedlings from seeds, or you could go to your local garden center and buy some cabbage plants. I went to B&Q last week and these cabbage plants were insane and I got them for £1 only. About 6 plants in here and mashallah they look nice and healthy. Taking all the roots of the spinach out and I'm going to add some nutrient in this soil before I plant them. Leafy vegetables and they like a lot of nitrogen. I'm going to add generous amount of chicken manure pellets, perhaps maybe about 4 or 5 handful in this patch here, and I'll fork it in and then I'll plant the cabbage in here. Plant them about 12 inches apart. Normally you choose a cloudy day to plant your cabbage, but today is a beautiful sunny day, but in the evening I have lot to do, so I thought I'd just get this over with it. Here. About there. Make sure to water properly once you have planted your cabbage. And in a hot day, water every day. Give a good drink. hopefully in 4 months time you would have beautiful looking cabbage to harvest, perhaps end of September. Now I planted some red cabbage in this builder's bag. It's quite easy and simple to actually make a raised bed out of builder's bag. Give it a try. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share our videos with friends and family. Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum. I'll see you in the next one. You want to help?
Yeah.
All right. Come on, let's help. You want to help?
Yeah.
All right, come on then. Okay, Harris, come here. You can water these plants.
Okay.
You water this one? All right. That's a good boy. You're a good boy, Harris, aren't you?
And now
And this one here? And this one here?
which one?
This one, that's it. It's a very hot day. It needs a little water. You're doing good. You like gardening?
And that one?
Harris, you like gardening?
Yeah.
All right. Tell everyone happy gardening. Happy gardening.
Happy gardening.
Assalamu alaikum. And we'll see you in the next one.